Condolences messages are pouring in for umndeni wakwamvelase after ke ukushona kukaMkhululi. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi soap stories and today talking about UMKHOKHA. After ukufika kaMkhululi ongumvelase omkhulu, maningi ke guys ama changes sizowabona lapha na ke kuMkhokha. Umamzobe guys finally accepted isithembu but uzodwa ufuna uphakathwayo ashiye umuzi wakhe ahambe naye ngoba akamthembi udadewabo futhi ke useqalile ke guys ukuveza ama true colors akhe but waveza kuzodwa akawavezi ku Difa. Matthias reveals ukuthi umlungisi will try his level best to restore order in the church with Difa's help and reinstate the council. He will show support to Manzimande after trendile guys ngokuthi athi ibandla labulala umvelase. So ke guys umlungisi uzoshow support kuyena ke uManzimande bese uManzimande accepta ke umlungisi as indodana yomnyeni wakhe. Umlungisi uzophinde futhi anxenxe uSiphamandla ukuthi ke bahlalise abazali babo phansi umamzobe kanye ke noManzimande ukuthi bakhomelane umlotha baxolelane and kuzoba sengazi baxolelane but guys you know umamzobe ukuthi umuntu onjani but ke guys ya bazohlala phansi baxolelane balungise izinto zabo. When we thought ukuthi ke yonke into manje sihamba kahle wavela indawo zokuthi umlungisi bele nokubonga bakhulelwe kwawisithombe sikamvelase obondeni angiyazi into ecasula umvelase ngikhulela kanokubonga benomlungisi kwavele kwaqala inkinga guys which I think umvelase will do something ezoholela ekutheni umlungisi azibulale. Guys umlungisi uzohlangana nje angacabangi enye into ecanga ngoyibulala imithombe ethembekile ithi umlungisi uzosiphosa eflatini ayophihlizeka phansi kuqhubeke ke umkhokha wakomalume wakhe kwaMzobe abawuvala ke ngoxolile bamshaya but still umkhokha uyaqhubeka. Mlungisi's death will shake the family. Ukhulekani and uSiphamandla will have to decide ukuthi ubani ozostopha umkhokha by lashing Mlungisi's body as a symbol of stopping umkhokha ukuzibulala emndenini. Them temples will do right by Mlungisi even in his death bamngcwabe and that will be the end of his character but ke guys idrama ayikapheli. Please guess guys ngicela ukuthi ni guess ukuthi ubani umkhululi olandelayo ubani ozodemand isihlalo sokuba umkhululi olandelayo emva kokushona ke kuka Mlungisi. Once again guys would love to thank uNkanyiso Mchunu okuyena yodla indawo kaMlungisi guys. He really nailed this character guys. We were enjoying him and that's what he normally do guys. Even lapha kwimbewu no guys umlungisi uya actor noma ke uNkanyiso ke uya actor. We wish him all the best guys and yeah that brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion.